Did you know that eating more green vegetables can actually boost your workout results? Sounds surprising, right? Most people focus on protein shakes and supplements, but greens might be your secret weapon in the gym. When it comes to building muscle or improving endurance, nutrition plays just as big a role as training. But here's the thing. Many gym goers overlook the impact that green vegetables can have on performance and recovery. Let's be honest. Hitting your macros is tough enough. Meal prepping, tracking calories, getting enough protein, it's a lot. So it's easy to forget about the greens. Maybe you think salads are just filler or that veggies are only for people on a diet. But neglecting greens means missing out on nutrients that power your workouts. Let's talk specifics. Spinach is packed with nitrates, which research shows can improve blood flow and muscle efficiency. Broccoli brings fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants to support immune health and reduce inflammation. Kale, it's a powerhouse, loaded with vitamin K for bone strength and magnesium for muscle function. Even simple green beans or peas deliver iron and B vitamins, boosting energy and supporting muscle repair. Here's the kicker. A 2021 study found that athletes who ate more leafy greens saw significant improvements in muscle strength and recovery time. The nitrates and phytonutrients in these veggies may directly contribute to better endurance and less fatigue. So, next time you plan your meals, don't just think about protein, think green. Incorporating more green vegetables isn't just about overall health, it's a practical way to level up your gym results. Stronger muscles, faster recovery, more energy, that's the real green advantage. So, what's your favorite green vegetable, and how do you include it in your meals? Drop a comment below, and check out my other videos for more tips on fitness and nutrition. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest science-backed advice to help you crush your goals.